Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you are new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. Today's video is something different than my regular kind of tutorial videos. I just wanted to let you guys know that we have started manufacturing these kind of regular or daily wear kurtis. These are absolutely amazing and very pocket friendly, especially if you are a college going student or if you are working. So these are all of rayon fabric, so it's very easy to manage, and they can be customized in any size and print you want. So right now we had a small order of around 300 to 400 kurtis, for which we have started manufacturing this. So right now what you're seeing on the screen is the frock pattern. Earlier the blue one that you saw was a regular straight cut kurti in XXL size. Right now what is displayed on the screen is a frock pattern. So there are different patterns that we are manufacturing as well. This is an amazing pattern, especially if you are carrying or if you are on a little heftier side. This pattern can easily make you look good. So this also is another type of a frock pattern with 3/4 sleeve, and in the sleeve there is a cuff folding. So it looks very trendy, and all these are less than 500 range, irrespective of how many pieces you buy. So if you are a reseller and you want to buy in bulk, then definitely the prices will be lower when compared to you buying a single piece. So this is a yoke pattern kurti where you get pleats in the waist. So these are all the available prints that are ready for delivery. This is the custom order that we had, and we have manufactured, or we have stitched them to fulfill that order. So this particular set that you're seeing on the screen, the size starts from M, which is 38 bust size, and goes up to 3XL, which is 46 bust size. So in case you want a few kurtis for your own self, you can just WhatsApp me on the number that I have mentioned in the description box. So we can customize any pattern according to your choice. How this process works is, I will just send you a pic of the fabric that we have. We generally buy the fabric in larger quantity, say like 50 meters, 100 meters. So whatever fabric I have, I will share the pictures with you. You can select whichever fabric print you like, and then we can stitch it as per your choice. If you want a frock pattern or a center slit, A-line long kurti, collared kurti, anything of your choice. So the same holds good with the maternity kurtis as well. So if you have just delivered a baby and if you're unable to find maternity kurtis anywhere for your size, then we can do it for you. So again, the plus size also it can be done. So the prices will vary. If it is plus size, there will be a slight difference in the price. So for more information, it would be better if you WhatsApp me or call me. So right now whatever you're seeing on the screen are all center slit kurtis. Few of them have side slit, few of them do not have side slit. Mostly all the kurtis that we have stitched right now are a 3/4 sleeve, because that's how the requirement was. But any changes can be made if it is a custom order. So there is no rule that you have to buy them in bulk. If it is for your personal use, also you can place order. Material is only rayon as of now, and we also I would not say we do not have any other material as of yet, but right now it's only rayon. But in future maybe we will be adding on more fabric. So these are purely regular wear, college wear, office wear type kurtis, so very pocket friendly. So you don't really have to spend a lot on kurtis, especially the plus size. So we can manufacture, or we can stitch it to up to 60 size, which is like 10XL. So these are yet to be, like, ironed, and they're still undergoing the process. They are just stitched. So there's a whole lot of process these kurtis have to go through. They have to be buttoned, the extra threads have to be trimmed, and then they have to be steam ironed and then packed for delivery. That's how the process is. So right now these are all stitched. Since I was shooting the video, I just wanted you guys to see all the prints that are available right now. So like already mentioned, we have them in frock style. If you want with a back tie, we can do it. If you do not want back tie, we can do it. So anything of your choice can be done, and we will also courier it to wherever you are. So if at all you have any requirement like this, or if you know somebody who is selling at home, then you could just share this video with those people. It is going to help them, and it's going to help us as well. So this is again another type of a frock pattern where it's got a very long flare but without pleats. So there are a few more patterns. If you are really interested in this, you can just connect with me through WhatsApp, and I will send across all the details. So if you are selling at home also, we don't mind shipping it to your customer directly with your details. So right now these are the fabric prints we have. These are all rayon, and they have very nice and sober kind of prints. Few prints we have chosen, and few prints are as per the customer's order. So when a customer places the order, especially if he owns a shop or if he is a reseller, then we generally manufacture kurtis in all sizes, starting from M to triple XL or M to 5XL, or whatever sizes he or she wants. So that's how the process works. So these are still undergoing stitching. So this is one of it. I just pulled it off from the tailor, so she was actually stitching this. Very nice print. I personally loved this print, especially with that navy blue cuff, and looks very elegant for office or college wear. And trust me guys, these are absolutely pocket friendly. So if you have any requirement, please feel free to reach out to me on the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box. We can deliver it to your doorstep. So all kind of customization is possible. So just reach out to me in case you have any queries, and I will give you more information related to this. So I hope you guys like this video. In case we do the next lot of production, I will definitely share another video with all the prints and patterns that we have. So I guess that's all. Do subscribe to our channel, and yeah, I shall see you guys soon. So I will be signing off now. Take care.